along Hilpuyat Avenue papuntang, of course, matik na yan, Shell Buso-Buso. So today we are going to the biggest municipality in Quezon Province. So alam niyo ba yun kung ano yun? So it's the General Nakar. Siya yung pinaka-biggest municipality sa may Quezon Province. Specifically pupunta tayo sa may Masanga Beach Point. So stay tuned mga amigo-amiga. From Boso-Boso going to General Nakar Municipal Hall. So try natin yung Masanga Beach Point. Let's go! So now it's 4:37 AM. Pakita tayo ng Boso-Boso. Morning! Nandito tayo nga sa may Marikina Infanta Road, bound for General Nakar. We already been driving for 2 hours already. 5 hours pa lang. 1 hour pa lang. 1 hour. And we drove already from Makati 88 kilometers. So we're expecting to arrive at 7:12 sa General Nakar Municipal Hall, and then doon tayo mag-register. Going to Masanga Point with, of course, with a tour guide. Straight. Dito tayo kumana noon last time, no? Oo. So ngayon diretso tayo. Good morning. So ngayon dito tayo sa may General Nakar, Quezon. So today we're going to Masanga Point. So yung babayaran lang natin dito is the tourism fee, environmental and admission fee, which is 20 pesos per head. And then after that wala na. Of course babayaran din natin yung tour guide. Yung tour guide natin is 1,300. Isang tour guide na yun for all of us. So kung 10 kayo or 5 kayong sasakyan, so isang tour guide lang 1,300. And then papakita ko sa inyo kung mga pupuntahan natin. So pwede mo pumunta dito sa mga pwede natin puntahan dito sa may General Nakar. Tulaog Cave, Tinipak River, Dipalian Falls. Ito ang pupuntahan natin ngayon. Masanga Point, located at Barangay Kanaway. And then meron pa dito Bayokpok Terraces. So yan yung mga tourist spot dito sa General Nakar. Alright, that's it. Yan yung way. Dalawang way yan eh. May pababa, may pataas. Alright, so this is gonna be the road condition that we're going to take or tackle from General Nakar City Hall to Masanga Point. This route will take approximately 40 kilometers, I reckon. Wala namang mga ruts or extreme mud, purely gravel lang talaga siya. I believe kayang-kaya siya ng 4x2 vehicles. The only challenge is the river crossing na hanggang hita ang lalim dahil sa weather condition kasi maulan. Pero pag walang ulan, I'm sure kayang-kaya ng 4x2 yung river crossing kasi mga knee deep lang siguro yung tubig. Okay, dito tayo. Kakain muna tayo sa hapag. Okay, dito tayo sa hapag. Kainan. Doon sa may General Nakar, sa Umiray, sa Binigman yun. Dito pwede kang kumain ng breakfast na may I love hapag kainan. May CR din dito.
May elevator dyan.
Elevator. Masarap yung halo-halo tsaka lumi dito. Chili. Okay na, okay. That's the third bridge crossing. So mababa naman yung tubig. We're expecting to cross two rivers na walang kulay. Yan na yung first river crossing natin dito sa General Nakar, bound to Masanga Point. Sige.
Maski po doon na diretso na tayo sa Dululi na hangin bridge.
Sige, okay. Sige. Okay, sige. Thank you. Last neck, Dr. Joko talaga. Hindi nga advisable na magdagat tayo, malakas alon.
Meron talaga dyan mamaya.
This is the Masanga. Wow, dito na tayo.
Mali yun dito. Mababash ka naman dito.
Dapat nag-research muna yung vlog na yun.
Mababash agad.
Maisip sabihin.
Hindi ka pa siya may ticket. Mababash.
Doon tayo mamasit. Dito pala sila. Huwag dito mo padaanin, dito. Okay. 4x4. 11 years daw sila. Tingnan natin. Ito ah. Oh! Wow! Wala stick. Ito pala, Dr. Joe Fruit Clinic. Love shop 4x4. Lahat? Pagkulang na kasi. Dito? Sige lang. Pagkulang na kasi dito. Here at Emas Resort, Masanga. Sitio Masanga, right? Barangay Kanaway, General Nakar, Quezon Province. Good afternoon. Now it's 2 p.m. Now, paalis na tayo sa may general na car bound home. So, nandun muna tayo sa may Infanta Public Market para makapabili ng fish, seafoods. So, yun. Team ko na. Naligo kami sa ilog along the way. Right.
I've been trying to make it for some time, but all I see is enemies. I've been steady focused on my grind. Do everything, you never leave. You never leave. I tried to deny.
Good afternoon mga amigo kagmiga. So, dito tayo ngayon sa may Marikina Infanta Road, the long and winding road ng Quezon. So, galing natin sa may overland trip natin sa may sa Masanga Point, General Nakar, Quezon Province. So, we're going back to Makati. So we have driven already 213 kilometers from Makati until now, and then we still have to drive for another 117 kilometers. So more than it will be more than 300 kilometers drive natin for this overland trip. So yun. So don't forget to hit follow and subscribe on my YouTube and Facebook channel. I hope you enjoy watching our overland adventures at Masanga Point. See you again on our next adventure. Thank you.
I've been trying to make it for some time, but all I see is enemies. I've been